last week, potato harvesting. Well, this week it's going to be a bit more horsepower with a bit of manpower shown in for good measure. We're going to complete the last part of the potato harvesting cycle. We hope you like it. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button.
A big thank you to all of you
who have helped us to reach the 200 subscriber mark.
We couldn't do it without you.
So thanks, guys. Here we were last week harvesting the potatoes using the Grimme self-propelled potato harvester and Grimme windrower, along with 4 tractors and trailers. It took us 2 days to complete our potato harvesting.
This tractor and trailer has just arrived from the field to unload the potatoes into the pit, where it goes up to the elevator and onto the potato riddle.
This trailer approximately holds 18 tonne of potatoes. From the first potato to the last potato, it takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes. To leave the trailer, head up the elevator, onto the potato riddle to be sorted and graded and go into the potato boxes. Then to go on to be stored in the cold store, ready to be sold to people like McCain's and McDonald's.
Here's the potatoes getting sorted into their boxes. This machine that is sorting the potatoes has a weigher on, which roughly would weigh in around about 1 ton.
Not all potatoes are stored in boxes. These potatoes are stored loose. They are stored in a big heap in the chiller to keep cool to stop the potatoes from rotting and regermination.
This is an impressive piece of work. These potatoes are being stored in these buildings, ready for the supermarkets, put on their shelves, and to make chips, crisps, mashed potatoes, and anything else to make potatoes out of. When the potatoes go up the potato riddle, it sorts the potatoes from potatoes and soil. The soil goes up the elevator into a pit, ready to be taken back to the field. These people on the potato riddle are picking out any lumps of soil or anything that's not a potato. Potatoes in the cold shed.
There's rather a lot of potato boxes.
As you can see, this shed is bursting full of potatoes. These potatoes are going to be used for McDonald's, for your fried chips. Do you think they can get any more potatoes in this shed? I don't think so.
That's the trailer now emptied and ready to go back to the fields and fill up with another load.
stop. Mum, we're hungry.
And then you get a potato served like this.
See you in our next video. Bye.